Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong ating makita, yun ang ating babasahin. Okay, so syempre, yes, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po ha, pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? And yes, don't forget our second YouTube channel na ating i-follow. Nasa description box below yung kanya pong link. And again, pagdating sa ating mga items, yes, available yung ating mga protection from protection sa evil eye. So, ito yung ring. This is adjustable, by the way. And yeah, yung ating dalawang bracelet. Oo, yung isa yung ating garterize and this is yung adjustable. Available ito in red strings, okay? So, ito yung may initial po, ha? Yung adjustable. Initial ng magmamayari. And, syempre, yung ating evil eye necklace. Yan, ganyan siya. As you can see, very simple. Diba? Pero ang ganda niya. Napaka-classy. So, this is unisex. Okay? So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Merong extender yung kanyang chain. Anyway, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And syempre, yung ating love bracelet. Anything about love, connections. Okay? So, siya yung pwedeng mag-fix kung anong mga i-fix. Siya yung mag-aalis ng mga dapat alisin. Mga ganyan po. Ha? So, yan siya. Ayan. Okay. Diba? Shining, shimmering, splendid. Oo. And syempre, may mga no-order nito na lalaki. Ang ginagawa nila is nilalagay nila sa pouch. Yes. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter po yung taga-grant, ha? Ng mga minamanifest ninyo, taga-pagbigay ng surprises if ever na hindi pa ready yung inyong minamanifest. Hindi pa kayo magka-frequency like that. Okay? So, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and this is 20 inches long. Okay, yung chain po. Pero yes, again, pwedeng gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And syempre, lastly, yung ating cord cut. Pang cord cut, so pag-aalis, pagka-cut ng mga dapat i-cut ng mga nakahawak, mga diba, nakagrab pa sa inyo na energy na talagang parang sandbag na, no? Pagdating sa inyo. Okay, parang nagpapabigat na lamang. So, kung may iba pang tanong, message na lang po. Okay? Ganun lang. Oo. So, let's see. Air signs. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for you? Two of Wands, universe. Being open. Yeah. Ay, number 1 na pumasok sa isip ko. Being open. Six of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. Being open sa pagkakaroon ng mga, sabihin nating plan A to plan Z. Parang ganyan. Not sticking sa iisa lang. That's in general. Okay? Hindi natin kailangan mag-stick sa iisa. Dapat meron tayong, sabihin nating, another plans na if ever. Like, be ready. Just be ready. Okay? As with the Six of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, if there's this somebody, could be a fire sign or earth sign, na parang hindi sila totally into you, like 100%, they have options. Yes. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Not all in. Parang, yeah, pwedeng may mga napapansin ka. Some of them is pwedeng hot and cold or in and out. Like that. Inconsistent energy. Okay. So, what else? What else? For air signs. Four of Pentacles. This is saving. What's with that? The Chariot in reversed. Somebody's still holding on into this. It could be a Cancerian or an earth sign. May nangyaring separation sa inyo. Somebody hindi pa rin totally nakaka-move on. Yes, ang bigat ng sitwasyon ng taong to. Kung ikaw, meron ka mga kailangan ng ialis. Yes, diyan napasok si cord cut, yung mga nahihirapan na may alisin. Alam naman sa sarili na dapat ialis na yon. Yun, doon napasok si cord cut. Anyway, so nakuha ko rito, if ikaw itong sa tingin mo meron ka ng mga kailangang i-release, burden na kasi nakakapagpabigat na. Okay? So anong meron? Some of you, ikaw itong nakikita ko na pwedeng mag-save for a travel in the future. Yeah, the Page of Swords. Some of you, you're still holding on because pwedeng you're waiting for a closure or a message, an ending message, last message, something like that. Or pwedeng sila ito naghihintay ng message mo. If you need to, kung alam mo na may kailangan kang i-message, message them for their, sabi natin clarity, peace of mind, whatsoever. Judgment. Okay, may nakuha ko ditong energy na pwedeng mayroon kang paggagamitan sa pera mo. Iba sa inyo na talagang yes, nakapag-ipon-ipon na. Mayroon na ako nakikita rito. Wawaldasin mo na. Oo, wawaldasin mo na. No, the 9 of Cups universe. Na sabihin nating deserve mo naman. Okay, deserve mo to. So, pwede kasing marami ka pang inuna, bago yun, bago yan, bago mo makamit to, or bago mo pag-ipunan to, ang tagal-tagal. So, deserve mo kung ano to. Oh, na lovers. Pwedeng ikaw itong sabihin nating magbibigay na ng oras, effort, whatsoever, pagdating sa lover connection. Andito yung merong magta-try muli na umibig. Ay, may magta-try. Yes, and I think, nandito na yung parang, okay, I'm ready to build a family. Parang ganyan, no? Oo. Ang nakuha ko dito, hindi kasi hindi kasi nagmadali. Yes, and this is judgment from universe, I think, yung ibibigay. Yes, kahit hindi hiningi. The 9 of Cups universe. Yes, ang ganda nito. Oo. So, congrats agad sa makakakuha nito. Oo. Ay! Okay. Anyway. So, there. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What's for you? What's for you? Fire signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo. Parang. Okay. The Sun in reverse. How are you? How are you, fire signs? How's your day? The World. Meron ditong parang aalis, no? Parang hindi ko alam kung lalayo. Number 1 na nakuha ko is merong maging ibang bansa. And nandito lahat ng iyak, sadness, to work abroad maybe. Yeah. Sun in reversed. 2 of Pentacles. Kahit mahirap kaso kailangan. Parang ganyan. Some of you, in general, daraan ka sa mga mahihirap, sa mga nakakalungkot na sitwasyon bago mo sabihin nating ma-accept lahat. No? Andyan yung energy about acceptance, energy about completion. And this is talking about healing rin for some of you. Yeah, the 10 of Swords, healing. Some of you, you're on the process of healing. Ikaw ito ngayon, yes. Hindi po madaling mag-heal. Okay? Hindi madali. Talagang mahirap. Ito yun. Okay? So, some of you, ikaw itong kailangan mong dumaan sa proseso ng healing talaga. Bakit? Siyempre. The Three of Swords, ayaw naman natin to. Ulit-ulit tayong masasaktan sa ulit-ulit na naging failure natin. Di po ba? So, yan yun. So, what else? May mga nalulungkot na malayo, na nasa malayo. Feeling nila parang nakalimutan nyo na. Kumustahin. Oo, kung meron kayong mga kamag-anak na nasa ibang bansa, lalo na yung mga nagtatrabaho doon, mga ganyan, kumustahin ninyo. Okay? Hindi lang naman din sila, nagme-message, pero, yeah, some of them, they're just waiting for somebody na talagang makaka-alala sa kanila. Okay? Yung mga tao rin na talagang namayapa na, kailan nyo huling dinalaw, lalo na kung kayo itong sobrang sabihin nating malapit, no? So, what else? Okay, the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. The Page of Wands. Somebody's interested. Attracted. Younger. Mayroon ditong age gap. Age difference. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. This person always needs you. Andun yung energy na parang ginagawa kanyang motivation. Para kang teacher sa taong to, advisor. They need you. Or there's this younger fire sign maybe na parang kailangan lagi ng gabay mo. Yeah. Yeah, the moon. Sabihin natin parang napaka-naive. Or sabihin natin parang hindi makakakilos without your tawag dyan, go signal. Parang ganun. This person needs you. They need you. Maybe your child. Meron ditong hihingi ng advice about sa pera, pamemera. Yeah. What else? The Five of Wands. What's with that? Competition. May narinig ako competition. Yeah, the Justice. Somebody will win. Oo. Okay. So, kung ano man to. Yeah, see the Six of Wands. I'm getting the energy of recognition, awards, trophies. Okay, mga ganyan. Mapapaskill yung pangalan online kasi pwedeng nakapasa or may pinanalunan like that. Yeah, people will see, people will admire you like that. Appreciation, parang ganyan. Okay, there's this drama na pwedeng about legalizations maybe. Pwedeng may mafi-fix or sabihin nating merong ma-accept or mag-grant. Okay? Yeah, the Magician. Anyway, so there. Yeah. Anything legal, may chance na pwedeng maging okay yung magiging result. So next, water signs. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What's for you? What's for you? Okay. The Six of Swords in reversed. What's that? Cycle. Routine. Parang feeling, may nararamdaman ako dito sa energy na to na parang lumbay na sa buhay kasi parating yun na lang at yun ang ginagawa everyday. Di basagin mo yung routine, basagin mo yung cycle. Okay? Kung pagkagising mo, kumakain ka na, basagin mo. Pagkagising mo, mag-toothbrush ka muna. Bago ka kumain or magmumog. Di ba? Ganun. Yes, as simple as that. Babasagin mo. Okay? Totoo 'yon. Dapat may mabasag everyday routine. Ito ginagawa ko, ito. Yung parang naka-autopilot ka na, kahit pikit ka, kaya mong gawin, basagin mo yun. See the magician in reverse, basagin mo. Para may mangyari, may pumasok na ibang frequency. Yes. Kung kaya mong pagbalik ta rin yung mga ginagawa mo everyday, yung mga panghapon mo, gagawin mong pang umaga, do it. Yes. Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. Wala na kasi yung wala na dun yung sabihin nating gana. Okay, parang ganyan. Baguhin mo. Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng yung environment ang kailangang mabago. Kung anong meron sa environment mo. Kung ikaw ito, sa tingin mo, kailangan may baguhin sa bahay mo, do it. Kung kailangan baliktarin mo yung bahay mo, gawin mo. Mga ganyan. Para makalug naman yung energies. No? What else? For you, water signs. Iba dito. Kung patungkol sa love to, paulit-ulit ka na pupunta sa maling tao. Yes. So, strength. Two of Swords in reversed. Sabi ko dito, sa maling tao. Sabi nga nung iba, wala naman daw mali, na tao. Sa tingin ko, nagiging mali lang yun kung hahayaan mong mali. Okay? Kung hahayaan yung mali lang talaga yun. Every time na mayroong hindi nangyayaring okay, there's failure. So, there's lesson. Okay? So, strength and the Two of Swords in the reversed. I think this is like a head over mind decision. A head over heart decision. Kailangan matibay ka dito kung ano man to. This is a decision. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. The Empress. For long term. So, siguro about sa pamemera. Mayroon ka mga kailangang pagdesisyonan pagdating sa pamemera mo. Justice. Okay? New source of income. May nakakuha kong ganyan. New source of income. So, Emperor naman. What's with that Emperor in reversed? The Page of Pentacles. There's a conversation between you and your boss. Meron ako naririnig dito below the belt. Just be don't emotional. Yeah. See? The Empress. Huwag ka magiging emotional. Kapag ito specific. Some of you, kakausapin ka ng boss mo and magiging below the belt na yung mga sasabihin whatsoever. Boss mo, bisor mo, whatsoever. Employer, whatsoever. Whosoever. Okay? So, parang pumantay ka lang din. Like, okay. Boss lang kita. Parang ganon. Kailangan ko maging pasensyosa, parang ganyan. So, kung hindi ka marunong rumispeto, ako marunong ako rumispeto, parang ganon. Okay? So, kung magsasabi ng hindi maganda sa'yo yan, then, mas mababa pa sa'yo yan. Yes. Kung hindi sila magsasabi ng maganda sa'yo, kahit sino pa yan, gusto lang nila magsabi ng ganyan sa'yo, hindi ka naman kilala, mas mababa pa sa'yo yan. Tandaan nyo yun. Okay? Kahit ano pa ang rason nila, wala dapat magsasabi ng hindi maganda sa iba, sa atin. Okay? Chin up. Yeah. Every time kasi na pwedeng kapag sinasabihan tayo ng ganyan tapos i-welcome pa natin, that's bad. Hindi yun nakakabuti rin naman sa atin. Okay? So there. Yeah, see, don't be too emotional. Ten of Pentacles. Alam mo kung sino ka. Okay? So next, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. That's for you. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Earth signs. Ten of Swords in reversed. What's that? King of Wands. Oh. A player ay talaga namang manunumbalik. Magbabalik sa iyo. Yeah, the Two of Cups. The Five of Pentacles. I need you, Earth sign. I need you. For what? O, diba? Para saan yan? Yung pagbabalik na yan. Some of them, they know that they can control you. Still. See? The narcissistic person. Some of you, same gender kayo nito. Same gender. The Five of Swords. Wala akong nakikita magandang intention coming from them. Kung bakit sila manunumbalik. They just need you. Need something from you. Okay. So what else? For your signs. Before signing, magbasa. Basahin kung anong nilalaman ng pipirmahan. Okay, the Knight of Cups in reversed. The King of Cups. Oh, you have all three kings here. The Knight of Cups in reverse, the King of Cups in reverse. Somebody is interested. Somebody is, sabihin natin, emotionally attracted sa'yo. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Pero bakit ganun? They're like hot and cold. Hot and cold. Oh, the Four of Wands in reverse. Meron ditong gabay. If there's this somebody, a water sign or a fire sign na hindi totally investing dito sa situation, then yeah, ikaw na yung kailangan kumusa, gumawa ng kung anumang action ang kailangan. Death. Endings. Yun lang po ba yung way? Okay. You can, you can stay. Pero saan mo ganyan pa rin? Yeah. Kung kaya mo yung ganyan, you can stay. Kung kaya mo. Pero if not, then end it. Yun lang. Okay? What else? The Seven of Cups. Alam mo, Earth signs, ang dami ditong tao na gustong kumonek sa'yo. We have here 4 actually. May 7 of Cups pa dito. Pero, andoon yung takot. Nandun yung takot ng mga to. Ano yung 7 of Cups? The 3 of Wands. They're waiting. They're waiting. This is you. Your energy. Are you open? Yan yung number 1 na tanong nila. Are you open? You have a stalker here. Somebody na curious sa'yo kung ano bang meron sa'yo. Yeah, the Page of Swords in reversed. Somebody's waiting for a reply. The Four of Swords. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Page of Wands again. Meron ditong gumagawa ng plano. Like, tiptoe. Hindi niya papaalam sa'yo na gumagawa siya ng plano pagdating sa'yo. They're like interested. Ooh, tit! Itong mga to, sabihin natin hindi ko nakikitang iisa to eh. Maraming interesado sa'yo Earth signs. Wow. Pero halo-halo, iba't ibang tao. Halo-halo yung energy, ang gulo. Merong past, merong current, merong new. Ang iisa ko lang na nakikita rito, they are still waiting. They're waiting, they're interested still. Sa'yo. Okay? So there, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And syempre, yung atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Thank you. Bye.